Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Power 2026 for Straight Talk Wireless, and the Moto G Power is now here. Straight Talk, y'all can see the phone right there. Right side of the phone is your power button, button keys there. Back of the phone, you guys will see here, camera system, camera flash, and motor logo there, and you do have a camera bump there on the back. Front of the phone is your whole point vision camera, power button keys on the right side. Left side is your motor station stuff like that. So I don't know why I just keep rotating like that. It's kind of interesting. But yeah, the fan looks very nice. It's like this like goldish color, so it's pretty nice. And it's kind of out of stock as I'm recording this video here on February 17th. The fan is out of stock as I'm recording this video here, February 17th, 2026. So hopefully when I upload this video, the Moto G Power will be in stock at Straight Talk. The Moto G Power can be yours for $9.99 at Straight Talk. So not a bad deal for what if I do. I'm definitely worth checking it out. Oh, it looks very nice as well, and it's like in like this gold color, which I do like a lot. It's available in a Pantone pure cashmere color, so it's like a goldish color. So, very nice there. Uh, see. So say hello to the new Moto G Power 2026, unstoppable power, military grade toughness. Take your mobile experience further with the device built to keep up with your most demanding days and your most ambiguous adventures. Sorry about the text being cut off on the other side of the screen. I can't do nothing about it. I'm recording this off my phone. So sorry about that. That's the front of the front, left side and back, very nice and firm. Especially in this gold colored vegan leather finish, very nice looking phone. So yeah. Back side has Android 16, 5G of course, Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG and AC dual Wi-Fi, dimensions 6.56 inches height, 3.04 inches width, and 34 inches depth, 6.8-inch display, resolution Full HD plus at 1080 by 2388, 387 ppi, and of course 120 Hz refresh rate as well. Cameras, you have a 50 megapixel rear camera with f1.8 aperture, quad pixel technology, face detection, autofocus, optical image stabilization, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 1 to 18 degrees field of view, macro vision, f2.2 aperture, uh, autofocus camera, light sensor, ambient light sensor, flicker detector. Front camera is 32 megapixel f2.2 aperture, quad pixel technology, and fixed focus for the front facing camera. The battery up to 49 hours, Bluetooth 5.4. Processor is a MediaTek 6300 processor, octa-core at 2.4 gigahertz. It also has GPS and a talk time 49 hours. Remember 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, external up to 24 gigabytes with RAM, which is insane. 128 gigabytes of built-in storage, up to 1 terabyte more graphics card expansion. The Moto power weighs 7.34 ounces. So, yeah. What comes in the box is, of course, a Moto power smartphone activation card, Type C charging cable, quick start guide, and your box finder booklet there. So if you sign stuff in the box there. There's the front of the phone. There's front and back of the phone right there. Very nice in front, especially in that gold color with that big on leather finish. So very nice. More features: it has turbo power charging up to 49 hours of battery. Oh, the massive 5200 mAh battery keeps you listening to playlists longer, video chatting with friends for hours, and binge watching your favorite series until the dramatic conclusion. Then felt fast with the blazing speed of turbo power 30 charging. Military standards mil-spec 810H. Meet tough military standards for durability, passing rigorous tests for conditions such as extreme temperatures, pressure change, and sighting jobs up to 1.2 meters. Not to mention outstanding dirt and dust. It says not to mention withstanding dirt and dust, as well as environments with high levels of salt and or humidity. Stereo speakers with double outlets and high-res audio, immersive soft and multi-dimensional sound using advanced audio tools, IP68 and IP69. is engineered to deliver every piece is engineered to deliver everyday peace of mind thanks to IP68 and IP69, rated for rated protection. It's able to withstand dirt, dust, and sand, along with submerging and fresh water for up to 30 minutes, and even high pressure water spray from any direction. I think that's a type of it's supposed to be out. The emergency power is not waterproof, guys. It's not. I don't think it is. According to this, it says it here on the feature page for the emergency power for Straight Talk. But y'all guys need to know that the emergency power is not waterproof. It's IP54 rated for the what's meant to if you guys get a little bit of water on your emergency power, you guys will be fine. The emergency power is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. Water touch tip on don't let little water hold you back from using your touch screen. Water touch technology automatically adjusts the screen sensitivity whether it says don't let little water hold you back from using your touch screen. Water touch technology automatically adjusts the screen sensitivity whenever it detects moisture, so you can still enjoy your favorite tunes at a pool party or schedule wherever out in the rain. High brightness mode, no more squinting in sunlight. High brightness mode automatically adjusts the display outdoors so it's easier to see, reaching peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. Plus, an additional light sensor increases ambient light sensitivity automatically, accurately adjusting brightness levels wherever you need it. So yeah, so that is the Energy Power 2026 now available at Straight Talk for $99.99. So not bad for a friend like that. Definitely worth checking out, especially in this gold vegan leather finish. I think it looks very nice in this gold color, so it looks very nice. I do think that there's some of the features that got wrong on here. It's not IP68 or IP69 rated for dust and water. It's not rated for that. It's not waterproof. It's IP54 rated. So if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys should be fine. So that's not made to be submerged in water. I don't know where they're getting these. I don't know if they're copy and pasting the all features from different phones, but the emergency power is not waterproof, guys. So it's not ready to do that. It's not rated to. But if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. But yeah, that's it. You guys have the emergency power. No, voice straight talk for definitely worth checking out. Especially in this gold color. Especially in this gold color, very nice looking phone there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.